4, 3, 2, 1. Good morning. This is Wayne Cymbaluk from the Stearns County Soil Water Conservation District with your conservation report. Hopefully you were able to get out this week and plant a tree for Earth Day. If you missed your chance, our annual tree sale is nearing the end for this year. We have about 70 bundles of trees left before we will be sold out. May 15th is the planned distribution date, so those of you that have ordered, you should be receiving a green postcard in the mail in the near future with further pickup instructions. Since we want to keep up with the social distancing guidelines, we will be closing tree sales the day before our distribution day on May 14th at noon. This will then give us time to process all the last minute orders. Also, for the remaining days of our tree sale, we are asking for all customer to order through our website if you'd still like to place an order. The Minnesota Board of Water Soil Resources has the Lawns to Legumes grant application period open. The Lawns to Legumes program offers a combination of workshops, coaching, planting guides, and cost-share funding for installing pollinator-friendly native plantings in residential lawns. Minnesota residents can apply to be reimbursed for up to $350 in costs associated with establishing pollinator habitat within their yard. The first application period for this year has passed, but a second application period for projects to be planted this fall is open through June 2nd. Those who applied for spring project funding but did not receive funding will automatically be considered for the second application period. Fall can be an ideal time to install pollinator seed mixes since many flowers seeded to establish pollinator meadows need freezing and thawing conditions over winter to break their seed coat and prepare for spring germination. Fall is also a great time to plant containerized trees and shrubs that offer benefits to pollinators as long as they are watered going into the winter. To apply for the grant funds, go to bluethumb.org. If you're not interested in applying for the grant, you can check out the Minnesota Board of Water and Soil Resources website for helpful design and planting information. So why pollinator plantings are important? Because many insects such as bees, butterflies, and moths that support our food and ecological systems are at serious risk. Pollinator plantings also promote water infiltration, which helps improve water quality, sequester carbon, and improve soil health. Design, installation, and management of pollinator plantings helps provide green industry jobs as well. Key ways that you can support and include pollinator habitat in your yard. 1, you can expand garden beds and pollinator habitat by planting native flowers, remove existing lawn using sod cutters, etc., and seed a pollinator lawn seed mix that typically includes no-mow fescues and flowers. You can interseed flowers into an existing lawn and increase mowing height and decrease mowing frequency. You can convert large areas to prairie vegetation. You can plant your rain garden with pollinator beneficial plants. You can incorporate flowering shrubs and trees in landscapes such as chokeberry, dogwood, ninebark, hawthorn, cherry, plum, apple, maple, and basswood. This provides nesting and overwintering opportunities, and also eliminate the use of insecticides and fungicides to the maximum extent that you can. By backing off on the insecticides over time, it will let a little color back into your lawn. Many lawn weeds produce colorful flowers. Dandelions are common perennial lawn weeds. They are found globally on every continent except Antarctica. It's not a finicky plant. It can bloom in full sun, part sun, or shade, and is frequently found in disturbed soils. Dandelions are an early food source. If an insect makes it through a Minnesota winter, yellow bloom signals survival until more flowers bloom later on. This isn't a ton of food available in early spring. Dandelions are some of the first plants to flower and offer nutritious food to our buzzing friends. Many insects include honeybees, bumblebees, and native solitary bees use and depend on dandelions. For more information on any of today's topics, please check out our website at www.stearnscountyswcd.net or call us at 320-251-7800 extension 3. Also, please like us on Facebook. This has been Wayne Cymbaluk with your Conservation Report.